Let's start by importing FullCalendar and the Day Grid plugin from their respective packages. FullCalendar is a powerful and flexible calendar component with an extensive set of features. The Day Grid plugin provides the classic month view day grid which most calendar users are familiar with. We define a functional component named Calendar Component which will house our calendar. This component will be exportable so it can be used elsewhere in our Next.js application. Within the calendar component, we declare a constant array events with some demo event objects. Each event has a title and a date. These will be the events that we want to display on our calendar. Now, we return the FullCalendar component configured with our Day Grid plugin to display the calendar in month view. We also pass our events array to the events prop, which will populate our calendar with these events. To ensure our calendar looks as it should, we need to import FullCalendar styles. Add these import statements for the main CSS and Day Grid CSS files at the top of your _app.js file or your main application file. This integrates FullCalendar's default styles into your Next.js app for consistent and correct styling. Of course, be sure to include the rest of your necessary imports, components, and logic within the _app.js file as usual. Now, your FullCalendar styles should be applied globally across your application. With these steps completed, you have now successfully integrated FullCalendar into your Next.js application. You can run your development server to see the calendar in action, displaying the events we've added. From here, you can expand on this functionality by adding interaction, fetching events from an API, and customizing the calendar to fit your needs.